This is a big pile of blueberry netting right here. So I'm just gonna go outside and snip the amount I need to protect my blueberry bushes. Today is windy and rainy, but it was important for me to protect my blueberry bushes because they are getting ready to, the blueberries are getting ready to turn blue, and that means the birds are gonna notice, and the squirrels and chipmunks and some other creatures too. So what I've done is I took the netting, and you can see right here, it opens up into this little bit of netting here, and it's bird netting, and I have covered my entire blueberry bush with it. And then I came under here and I used zip ties and I hooked together all the pieces right there with just some little zip ties. When my kids are ready to pick the blueberries, I will probably just cut little holes in areas where the blueberries are finished. And so my netting came with a pack of zip ties, and this is what the netting looks like. It's just black bird netting. And I also have hung a couple of shiny things out here near my blueberry bushes, and this was an idea my grandfather gave me. So this was just a decoration from a birthday party, but it shines and spins and it resembles a snake a little bit, so that also may keep the animals away. My grandfather used to like to hang pie pans because they would bang around and the shininess would scare the birds away too, and the motion and the reflectiveness. So that is another idea I did there. Here's my other blueberry bush. Again, I just took the netting and covered the entire bush, and it's okay, it's gonna push down some of the leaves and stuff. So when you're finished using the net for keeping your blueberries, you'll wanna trim that off so that the bush can grow freely. And there it is again. I hooked it together with my zip ties underneath here, and hopefully pretty soon these guys will turn blue. I love blueberry bushes. I think they have the most beautiful berries. I love the colors they are before they turn blue, and the leaves are some of the most beautiful fall leaves of any of the plants that I have. I hope this helps you get a great harvest of blueberries this year. Another thing you'll notice, I planted 2 blueberry bushes, and usually 2 different kinds of bushes work well together because they cross-pollinate, or I've heard that it even works better to do 3 varieties, but you want them to be different varieties of bushes when you plant them. Please like and subscribe and comment below, and I would love to see pictures of your blueberry harvest.